Hello, friends, how are you? I hope all is well with you. My dear friends, today we are about to discuss a very knowledgeable topic, how life has changed after COVID 19. You know that there are a lot of bad impact of coronavirus. Here with my all students, here Ravindra, Kapil, Dhananjay, Divya. I am about to ask the questions how life has changed after COVID 19. You know, guys, that life has totally changed. First of all, I just want to ask the questions. Yeah, Ravindra, what is your opinion? What are the bad impact of COVID 19?
Hello viewers, my name is Ravinder Singh Rathod and today sir has brought a nice topic. We all have faced so many problems when we were under a lockdown, because of the COVID. So as the sir said, life has completely changed. And what were the bad impacts? So I'm gonna talk about all those things, which we faced during the lockdown, and after the lockdown we are still facing. Though our economy is, growing faster, according to a survey or according to a report, our economy is the fastest growing economy of the world. But people have lost their lives, their lives as well as their livelihood because of the pandemic. We saw before 2 months so many people were dying. Many people just lost their loving ones due to COVID-19, and they are still facing so many problems because their earning members died. When there was a COVID, so they had to go to outside and then they got infected. I would say the grandparents, have the responsibility to take care of their children who have lost their parents. And it is even the governments are providing so many funds and making so many schemes, but none of them in working in a proper way, because they have lost a lot of things. And as the sir said, it has lots of bad impacts. Many people have lost their work, which they were doing before the lockdown, and they were earning livelihood for their family. They are earning money, they were sending to their children to the education. As you guys know that I just live in a village, so before 3 days I got to know one thing, that the schools, I was reading a newspaper actually. So in that newspaper I got to know that the schools have been closed for last 500 days. So it is a big period. Though the schools are open for those who are studying in 11th, 10th or 12th, but what about the rest of the students? How they will get the education, quality of education, as we know that we are entering into a world of globalization, where we need to have good skills which can take us further.
Well done, Ravindra. You have explained very well. You have a great idea. According to you, COVID has impacted on our education system. Guys, that due to COVID 19, our life has totally changed. Like it has impacted mentally, physically, and education system converted from offline education to online education. Okay, I am my next question with you, Kapil. That what is your personal opinion that life has totally changed? That COVID-19 is a great pandemic disease, and what has impact on the middle family, poor family also, and education? And what is your personal opinion, Kapil?
So, hello guys, my name is Kapil. So, according to me, there are both positive impacts and negative impacts of COVID-19. When we talk about negative impacts, so it impact our economy, as we all know, and this is first bad impact, and second bad impact is rise of Chinese economy. You know that Chinese economy is rising by average 10% per I mean the 10% per annum. So this may lead to a cold war between China and USA. This may lead to. Okay. And the third bad impact of COVID-19 is the loss of life. I mean that this create a difficulty to other members to overcome from this problem, because this can create a financial problems, mental problems like this. And fourth negative impact of COVID-19 is on our education system. As all you know that primary schools are not opening till now, and this create a huge problem for children that are studying in primary schools, because you know that as he said that this is a era of globalization, and globalization is increasing day by day. So this will create problem for these little students, because they will feel pressure when they will go to school, and they will see syllabus, and they will feel pressurized that how we will cover this. We enjoyed our that past 2 to 3 years, and this will create problem for that. And there are also some positive effects, like our environment. Yes sir, pollution is reduced, and river water has cleaned somewhat. For example, a lot of people stopped to throw bottles and garbage in rivers, as you know, because of lockdown. So our environment is become good. Second positive effect, that is digitalization. As you know that a lot of people are known about technology, that what is technology, and they have connected to technology. For example, Google Pay, Paytm, this will increase transparency also. Yes sir. And we should be positive, while it has a lot of negative impact, but we should be positive. Yes.
Oh, great. Great. Very nice. I agree with your statements also, that we have a positive mindset and we should not lose the heart. And I know that there were many scary period of COVID-19. People faced many difficulties. Lot of people, they have become jobless. Okay. My question with Dhananjay. What is your opinion that how life has changed after COVID-19? What are the impact of COVID? Yeah, Dhananjay.
Hi guys, I am Dhananjay, and our life has changed in COVID-19 for both students and for big person who are job and working, because many people lost their job and they don't have work and they don't have money to survive. And in students, they are just taking online classes. It impact their eyes, and they are becoming lazy and careless, and they don't having that seriousness in which the school they have. It creates a digitalization more bigger, because the rates of mobiles has increased, and people are more buying these mobile phones for online classes. In an article I have read that in COVID period the mobile phones increased 45%. We are buying, and it creates a bad impact on tourism, because the tourists are not coming to our India, and all over the world they want to go, and the people who are work in this, they are died because they don't have money to survive.
Well done, Dhananjay. I agree that you have performed very well. And my last question with Divya. What is your personal opinion about COVID-19? You know that life has totally changed. Like people, they have to put on mask, sanitize, and social distancing. And there are a lot of rules also. And what is your personal opinion, Divya? Just tell.
Hi guys, my name is Divya. मिडिल क्लास, रिच क्लास एंड पुअर क्लास, तो 3 क्लास है, तो उनमें सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट पे हुआ है वो है मिडिल क्लास। बिकॉज वो क्या है, रिच क्लास जो होती है उनको कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं, उनके पास फुल पैसा है, वो हर एक चीज़ कर सकते हैं, घर बैठे सब कुछ उनको मिलता है, क्योंकि उनकी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज एंड लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस होते हैं, तो वो खुद से सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। बट जो मिडिल क्लास फैमिली होती है उनको अपने दिनचर्या के लिए रोज़ शॉप पे जाना आना होता है, उनका डेली रूटीन होता है, बिकॉज जो लॉकडाउन की वजह से बंद हो चुके हैं और उनको खाने पीने के लिए उनमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हुई है। जो हाई क्लास थी उन पर बिल्कुल इम्पैक्ट नहीं हुआ है। और हाई क्लास के लिए यही कहना चाहूँगी कि कुछ, हाँ, बहुत लोगों ने मदद भी किया, डोनेट भी किया है, बट कुछ ऐसे होते हैं उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है लोगों से, उनको अपने पैसों से, अपने करियर से, अपने बिजनेस से मतलब होता है, बट ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। ये बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब कि ठीक नहीं है उन लोगों के लिए। और मिडिल क्लास का मेरा यही कहना है कि अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है थर्ड वेव आएगी और लगेगा लॉकडाउन, तो उनको मिडिल क्लास को पहले से अलर्ट होना चाहिए, अपने फ्यूचर के लिए अलग से सेविंग वगैरह रखनी चाहिए ताकि उनको ज़्यादा दिक्कत ना हो, क्योंकि उन्होंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस किया है, इतने 2 साल से होता आया ही है। और जो पुअर रोड साइड वाले हैं उनको भी गवर्नमेंट को ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उनके लिए अलग से मतलब कि रहने के लिए कुछ हो, क्योंकि जो उनकी कंडीशन हुई है वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल थी मेरा मानना है, क्योंकि मैंने खुद ने देखा है उनको बाहर उनको खाना भी प्रोवाइड किया है। और ये मोस्ट ये है कि जो बाहर रोड साइड पे एनिमल्स वगैरह होते हैं उनको भी खाना दिया जाए, क्योंकि उनको कोई नहीं देता है, क्योंकि सब अंदर ही अंदर रखते हैं कोरोना है कोरोना है कोरोना है। तो मेरा मानना ये है कि जानवर को भी एनिमल्स को भी खाना वगैरह दे।
Very good, Divya. You have a different ideology and you think for poor people and animals and birds too. I think that government should provide better facilities for poor people because life has become very costly and a lot of poor people, they are not able to purchase domestic items. Finally, I just want to tell you, my dear viewers and subscribers, please like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Next video is coming soon. I hope you have lot of opinion. You just send me your comments and tell me how you like this video. Keep watching all my videos. Keep smiling. Bye bye.